Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here an investor's dream with four two-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom apartments and a three-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom townhouse. It is located on Woodpecker Drive in Hellshire, St. Catherine. It sits on a quarter acre of land and was built in 2006. This property has great income earning potential. You can Airbnb the apartment or the entire property. The choice is yours. Each unit comes with an in-unit laundry and is already equipped to facilitate its own water and electric meter. The upper floor contains balconies where you can sit and enjoy beautiful views of the Caribbean Sea. Your guests can visit Hellshire Beach to have a swim or just to enjoy its famous fish and festival. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Call for a viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is Jamaican 120 million or US $779.6 thousand to purchase or make an offer. Please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.